Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Vikasit Panchayat Karmayogi Initiative. Why in news? In a significant step towards strengthening grassroots governance, Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Science and Technology launched the Vikasit Panchayat Karmayogi Initiative on Good Governance Day. About Viksit Panchayat Karmayogi Initiative. The initiative, part of the larger Prasashan Gaon Ki Or campaign, seeks to improve the capacity and competence of Panchayati Raj institutions. It will equip elected representatives and officials with the necessary tools and knowledge for effective governance and participatory planning. Piloted in Odisha, Assam, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh, the initiative leverages e-learning platforms, AI-powered chatbots and mobile apps to bridge knowledge gaps and enhance service delivery. This program aligns with the government's broader mission to decentralize governance and foster participatory decision-making at the grassroots level. The initiative is expected to create scalable models of citizen-centric governance, enabling PRIs to drive equitable and sustainable development across rural India. What is Panchayati Raj Institution? Panchayati Raj Institution is a system of rural local self-government in India. PRI was constitutionalized through the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 to build democracy at the grassroots level and was entrusted with the task of rural development in the country. This act has added a new Part 9 to the Constitution of India. This part is entitled as the Panchayats and consists of provisions from Article 243 to 243O. In addition, the Act has also added a new 11th schedule to the Constitution. This schedule contains 29 functional items of the Panchayats. Other initiatives launched on Good Governance Day 2024. New iGOT Karmayogi Dashboard. It allows ministry, department, organization leaders and state administrators to monitor the progress and effectiveness of their entities more efficiently. 1600 iGOT Karmayogi course. It aims to create a learning ecosystem for government employees, promoting continuous development and lifelong learning. CP Gram's Annual Report 2024. It underscores the progress made in enhancing the effectiveness of public service delivery through a robust grievance redressal mechanism. About good governance. According to the World Bank report titled Governance and Development 1992, good governance is the manner in which power is exercised in the management of a country's economic and social resources for development. According to the World Bank, good governance has 8 major characteristics. It is participatory, consensus-oriented, accountable, transparent, responsive, effective and efficient, equitable and inclusive, and follows the rule of law. Good Governance Day is celebrated on 25th December to raise awareness among citizens about government accountability and effective administration. The theme for 2024 is India's Path to a Viksit Bharat, empowering citizens through good governance and digitization. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. Panchayati Raj Institution was constitutionalized through the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. This act has added a new Part 9 and 12th schedule to the Constitution of India. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.